In this video, we're going to introduce dynamic content feature in OneSignal and how it can be used to provide multiple languages or translations in our messages. The example today will be from an email template where we're looking to promote a sweater from a fictitious company called Fat Squirrel. So this will be our master email to be sending out in, let's say, 3 languages today. The way dynamic content works is available here at the top right. You can find this in the SMS, in the push, and email. And there's just a couple of steps. One is to format the CSV. We do provide templates from the get-go that you can download and fit in. And then you simply upload the CSV. Now I've uploaded already a CSV called translations. And lastly, there is a handy for code to apply the liquid syntax. Let's have a quick look at the CSV that's been uploaded and how this bears into the email that we've got on the preview. Here's the CSV, which contains 3 languages, English, Spanish, and French, and 3 different variables that I'm putting into the email, like the subject line will be translated, and as well 2 sections of the email. The way we include this at each part would be with the liquid that we've copied over and simply adding in the name of the file, the actual header that we're calling in this instance would be subject line, and the user.language. This is what we're going to be looking up. So if the user has English, we'll be showing the English part of the subject line here. On the right-hand side is the preview. I did most of the work just to prepare it, but let's have a look at what it would look like for you to change. You take the part where you want to provide the translations, so that it has to be dynamic. Like this, you have dynamic content dot the file name, in this case it was translations, and then the email, we're going to be using email section 1 at the top of the email. So email section 1 is particularly the line here that says our squirrels have been busy. We have the English, Spanish, and the French variation of that. So this is what I would be expecting to receive if my language is in any of the following. Now the advantage here is that you have one template to work from, which is now showing in many different languages. You do not have to copy these over. So let's put this into motion. I'm going to be sending it to 3 different users that have English, Spanish, and French. So look at the first one. Here is the English message that has just come through. You can see here, fancy sweater promotion, our squirrels have been busy crafting, etc. This comes, if we go back into our file, directly from here. Now we're going to expect to see the same for Spanish and French. Here, that has just come through. This is the Spanish version of the email. And lastly, we'll have the French version of the email. I hope this video has been helpful. You can find this and more information also on the documentation website under dynamic content. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.